Workstation Kitchen Sink Accessory Kit by Stylish. Welcome to the next level of kitchen convenience and style. Introducing our exclusive kitchen accessory kit, featuring 3 essential items designed to transform your culinary space. This kit includes the stylish stainless steel over-the-sink colander, workstation cutting board, and the workstation roll-up drying rack. The stylish stainless steel over-the-sink colander A-917. It's not just a colander, it's a statement of quality. Crafted from corrosion-resistant stainless steel, it features small holes for fast drainage, fitting perfectly in 16-inch sinks. Meet the Workstation Cutting Board A-917. Crafted from BPA-free, food-grade polymer, it's perfect for all your cutting needs. Its unique design includes efficient drainage grooves, a built-in handle, and a reversible surface, ensuring versatility and durability. The Workstation Roll-Up Drying Rack A-902, a true space saver and multitasker. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel with a protective silicone coating, it supports up to 42 pounds and is heat-resistant up to 204 Celsius degrees.